Hello, beautiful souls out there. Dr. Destiny is here. Stretching today. This is going to be about stretching. So I got two rails right here. I want you to see these two rails. Okay? Can y'all work with me this morning? We're going to do some stretching. You ready? Going out, out, in, out, and in, out, out, in, out, 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 in, out. Okay. Just do it at your own pace. This is 12. Okay. Now, stand up. You're going to see me. These two rails I'm grabbing on. I'm going to go forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. One extra. So let's try the other leg. Here I am. Woo! Try the other leg. This is my right leg. Doing the same thing. We're just stretching your body today, people. Do it at your own pace. And don't get too overactive with it, okay? Left, right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's get the extra. Get extra 17. Let's go back down. And we're going to walk 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9. We're going to do 10 at bonus 11. Okay, let's bring up this. Okay, gonna sit here, put my legs here. We're gonna stretch. Stretch. Let's get that leg up. And we're gonna stretch. Okay? Stretch. Let's pull. Pull these muscles. Pull. Okay. When you feel the burning, then you know it's working, right? So let's pull. Pull. Hold your legs out as tight as you can. Don't let it bend. And so you can feel that pain. And it's working for you. Okay. Gotta get that right. That left leg gotta get some in, right? Okay, let's put it up here. You're gonna bend. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. Bend your body. 2, 3, 4. It's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that's 10. Okay, let's bring ourselves back a little bit. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Y'all gotta get a bonus. That's 13. Good bonus. Okay. So that's just stretching your muscles. Stretching your muscles and keeping the body active, which is very good for you. Moving that body. Whether you're moving it, walking, jogging, or you just moving, cycling on a bicycle or treadmill. Like I said before, just dancing, just keeping the body active. It doesn't take a whole lot of strenuous exercise to move that body. You can find ways to move your body around the house where you are, and you use most any kind of equipment that you have. So, let's stretch. Seven. Let's try it again. Take your time. Let's go. begin to feel the muscles burning. And yes, the habit. So you tighten the muscles in your legs as well. You tighten the arm muscles. Just grabbing this baby. 5 pounds. Very light. For beginners, I'll just say start out small. 1 pound, 2 pounds. Or just take the 5 pounds and use it lightly. But you want to stretch. Stretch. Stretching those muscles. And you're giving that body something that it can feel. Okay. You can use this one. It's very light. Let's grab in just another 5 pounds. So this equals 10 pounds. So let's go. Boy, it's a good weight. And these are your 5 and 5 is 10. This one I don't advise you to try to lift. If you're a beginner or someone that's just began working that exercise, you have to build yourself up, okay? This is 15 pounds. This is just good maybe for sitting. And just let it roll. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and that's 20. So you can bring this up. This is 15 pounds. Like I said, I don't advise you trying this if you're new at lifting weights, okay? About 15 pounds. Give your other hand to help out. Get it, say, help me out. Then you can lift it a little higher. Hold it right there. Breathe. Okay. Bring it up higher. And you stretching your abdomen, the muscles in your stomach, and the shoulders. That's helping tighten the flabby arms and helping to bring it back. Okay. This is helping you to alleviate any pain that may be in your back or your neck. So stay focused. Bring it up high as you can. Bring it over your front slowly. Bring it down. 15 pounds. How you feel? Are you still with me? Breathing a little hard, because this is not easy, people. But I'm putting in the work. And I'm taking it at my own pace, using my ability that I know that I have to do this. Don't force yourself. But I'm use one more weight. And this is very heavy. This is 20 pounds. So you automatically know if you're not a regular weightlifter, then you need help with both hands. But we're gonna go down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Stretching those, tighten those muscles up, guys. Straighten your legs, bend them back. Don't let your legs flap. Keep your legs firm and go all the way out to the front of you. And hold it right there for a few seconds. Go down, down. Do not bend your legs. 20 pounds, you're doing good. time, I'm gonna show you some other things, people. But there's so much that you can do. There's so much that you can do to get that body working. You can use a lot of different things at your home, but make sure they are secure and safe, okay? Let's go. I'm making my muscles in my legs tight as well, bouncing. This is helping my muscles in my thighs as well as in my abdomen, okay? I feel that. So, that's enough. I think we all did great. Okay, that is it for today. I'll be back at another time. I'm going to show you some other things that we can do. So in the meantime, get that body right, get that body tight, stay fit and healthy. See you guys in the next video. Namaste, beautiful souls.